NEET PG Case Presentations Episode 3 Unstable Angina. A 62-year-old male presents with chest pain for the last 2 days, occurring even at rest and lasting more than 10 minutes. The pain is similar to his past angina, but more frequent and severe. No relief with sublingual nitrates. On examinations, BP 130 by 80 mm Hg, pulse 88 per minute, ECG, ST depressions in leads V4, V6 during pain, resolves when pain subsides. Cardiac enzymes troponin 1 normal. Key clinical clues: angina at rest or with minimal exertions, increasing frequency and severity of pain, ECG changes during pain, ST depressions or T inversions. Normal cardiac enzyme distinguishes from STEMI and STEMI. Investigations: ECG during pain and symptoms, free periods. Cardiac enzymes troponin I, T, CKMB remain normal. Lipid profile, CBC, RFT, coagulation profile. Diagnosis: unstable angina, part of acute coronary syndrome spectrum without myocardial necrosis. Management: anti-ischemic therapy, sublingual nitrates, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers if contraindications to beta blockers. Antiplatelets therapy, aspirins plus P2Y12 inhibitors like clopidogrel or ticagrelor. Anticoagulation, low molecular weight heparin or unfractionated heparin. Statins, high intensity. Risk stratification, TI, MI or GRACE score to decide early invasive versus conservative approach. Concept recall: unstable angina plus NSTEMI is equal to same pathophysiology, plaque ruptures with subtotal occlusions. Differentiation: NSTEMI has elevated cardiac enzymes, UA does not, or unstable angina does not increase. PCI is preferred in high risk unstable angina, dynamic ECG changes, recurrent pain, hemodynamic instability. NEET PG tips: in any patient with chest pain and normal enzyme but ST changes on ECG, never discharge without risk assessment. Unstable angina can progress to MI within hours to days.